Cuebanks. Cuebanks. This is one of the greatest traders that we've watched coming up as traders, right? Um, he moved, around $100,000 to almost 500 and something thousand dollars, or it's the amount is shy away of 500 something thousand. No, almost a million. Sorry, almost a million, right? Almost a million, and it was around 800,000 or something like that. Let's just go watch the figures. The reason why I'm making this video is because of the terminology we use in forex trading, psychology. That terminology, psychology. What is psychology? How did he manage his psychology in the trade? The guy was in a deep drawdown. He almost lost the $100,000 that he deposited, but he was just watching the charts. And NFP came to sweep all, the profit he was making initially, and then he saw a great drawdown, managed his conducted himself so well psychologically, and then the trade moved to almost up to $1 million. What psychology was he using? Let's watch the whole video and break it down. Let's go.
Ooh.
Huh. It's
Hold
interesting.
up, wait. Wait.
You need to wick out and go. Simple.
Look out. Come on. What I'm expecting is this. Some sort of transition on a low time frame, somewhere like around this area right here. This right here was TP1 and TP2 that was hit. A lot of times around these MAs, you have these quick levels of rejection in some kind of way. So this right here is the weekly time frame. You have a nice big bearish candle. On daily, same concept. You have a little pullback here. I'm expecting this next candle right here to actually be bullish, to then slowly build this level of support. So let's see how this plays out. It's gonna be a slow market. God damn. So like this kind of shit, you gotta wait till like around 4 o'clock.
I've seen Asia do some wicked shit.
Yeah, I've seen it go the complete opposite direction. All of a sudden, like NY's about to open, and other direction, the entire thing.
Let's see. It's got a nice little movie.
So fast forward, let's correct the figures I mentioned in the intro. So the balance was around 200, almost 200K, right? The balance was around almost 200K. It's 225K, something like that, right? And it turned into almost a million, almost a million, almost a million. So um, let's see what happened. Let's see. The trade is currently retracing. Let's see what happens.
Oh shit.
Ooh,
Hold up.
this area right here.
Ooh.
Huh. It's interesting.
Hold up, wait.
You need to wick out and go. Simple.
Look out. Come on. Wow. What the fuck?
Every trader basically behaves like Q is doing right now. Now, from profits that he saw to now a drawdown of minus 70,000 or minus 71,000 almost. His dopamine right now will be so crazy, like very weak dopamine. His mind will be messed up right now. His mood will be so messed up, right? Look at him. He's very wild. He's looking at a chart. Let's watch this. Let me not talk too much. Let's go.
What's the exits?
Exit is like now.
Like now.
Yeah. 150. Equity. Like once it passes this fucking area, I'm done.
Yeah. Understand.
This is like the last area. What's up?
Look at that, my shit. I feel like this was the area right here.
Yep. Finals coming up. I say like 85. 1, 2, 30. Call it a fucking day. Alright. Right when you're about to close, bro. It fucking
So when you hover it, it starts wicking out, bro. I peeped it. You officially grabbed bros from those.
Okay, it doesn't look bad.
These last 5 minutes, fucking crazy bullshit. When I get in, I'm in chop, bro. When I'm not in, it's just straight one color, one direction. Alright, looking good. Saved 20K so far.
Bucks. Take out like a nice filet mignon.
Be hungry when you're in green.
I'm telling you, NFP, bro. Oh god, that shit was fucking wild.
It fucked the market up for the whole day. It looks like.
Yeah, I haven't been through that type of heartache in a while. That was aggressive.
It's fuck, bro. 200 point, 1 minute candle, 6 lots.
Yo.
Keep 6 lots, dude. Like, what the fuck? That shit said up 80, minus 60 in a minute. Literally, like, whoa.
Oh no.
We were like, yeah, I kind of like how it's going down before the open. Like, it'll probably push up now. What? That shit went from green to red. It was like you're at like a light, like at a stoplight. It was like red, boom, green turned on.
Yeah.
Opposite way.
That shit didn't even like gradually go. That shit
There
just
was
went.
no yellow. It just went from green to red.
No,
Yeah,
like,
hook a fucking heart monitor to you while you're doing that shit.
yo, listen, like I thought about doing it actually, and like I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a drastic difference.
Which is scary.
Oh
Nah,
god.
this is area, yeah, this could free fall here. I don't like it.
Guys, you know why I'm laughing? I can't really see the time frame right now, but I believe it's going to be like the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, right? Um, the reason why I'm laughing is because you could see that there was a pullback where we had, the current high, lower high, right? And so that current lower high, do you know psychologically what will be playing in the mind of Q? What will be playing in the mind of Q is that finally we have had this high. I just hope it breaks the, you know, current lower high as well, so that it could be like we've broken out structure and then we could, continue going up. And then unfortunately for Q, you know, it broke the higher. It created just a lower high and then broke the low again, the previous low, and then it's just tanking to the downside. And now they are down. He's down, sorry, $94,000. That is so. Your dopamine will be like weak. You'll be crazy. I tell you for a fact, bro. Let's go.
Hovering. Doesn't take much now.
Fucking 20K
And like,
swing
when you
out
zoom
that
out, it's not like the
That's
trading,
wild,
man.
That
Like,
one
what the
candle
fuck?
was a 20K swing. Holy shit. What the fuck was that? Look how strong, like, bro, like, it feels good putting a fucking line like this and seeing how every single candle respected it, though.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Those are like my random lines. But it's based on like the median points of certain areas, and then pretty much a lot of times it gets respected. Kind of like this right here, based off this little wick right here, and then all of a sudden boom, boom.
Bro, that's twice where you considered it and seen a whole saved yourself 60 bands.
Man, fuck. Yo, if this plays out, I need a big ass spliff and like a glass of apple juice. That's it. Big ass spliff and a glass of apple juice. Cold apple juice.
You tried that. apple juice that the bottle tastes like an apple? I got them in my crib.
Which one? The round ones?
They're like the little round ones.
I love those.
They say if you bite the shit, it tastes
Bite-
like an apple.
Bite the what? It's glass.
Plastic.
No, it's glass.
Is it? I don't know what it is. I haven't tried it because I got veneers, but
Exactly.
I don't want to pop my shit. But
I'm not taking that risk. What
that's
the
what the
hell?
girl was telling me. She said if you bite it, it tastes like an apple. I don't know if she was trolling me or not.
She was definitely trolling you, bro. But I love the price action on M1. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
God. That one kind of made me jump out my chair. That was kind of sick.
Okay, it's back on this. It's back
Here
on this
just
resistance
go.
right here. I have a resistance right here. That has to maintain. If everything works out, I deserve this shit. Nah, if I catch up 400,000, definitely compound vibes.
So from a drawdown of almost $100,000 to now back in, let's say a little bit in profit of $45,000. So this is a switch from feeling so hopeful and feeling that I need to come back from this drawdown. I'm feeling so bad, from your heart jumping in you, and for you to just start feeling like everything is fine, everything will be okay. You see how he managed the swing, the emotional swing. Let's watch. Now we are in profit, so let's see what he does.
That's it.
We're gonna do a party at the compound.
I do car review.
A 400K cake. This shit fucking retraces the entire NFP. Oh my god. Listen, like I woke up this morning and I'm like, yo, bomb. I'm up 100 bands, this and that. I was up like, yeah, like I seen it when it was like around like 112. I'm like, yo, cool. This is gonna be a great ass fucking day. All of a sudden, NFP hit. Doom. Negative 60 seconds. Playing that shit back is gonna be crazy.
Right. One of those.
I'm gonna give the chart some aspirations. Okay, a little bearish again. Okay, I don't like it.
I hate it. I hate that we cannot break the top side, or we can't even fill the whole shit, bro. That's a problem. It's a big problem.
38.2% support levels coming up.
Going crazy.
Mm.
Going fucking crazy.
Oh,
Going fucking crazy. Going fucking crazy.
107.
I want to see that pin drop off the fucking top of the desk.
Nah, it's pushing. Nah, it's pushing. Oh, it's 101.
One, we're pushing. No. Oh my god. What the fuck is happening, bruh? Like, honestly, I said 250 is gonna be a scary zone. We blew past that 200. I would have blew my account.
That shit is crazy.
Your fucking car shopping?
Yeah. So I'm saying this move is fucking going up. This is gonna be. I'm saying this shit from now. This is gonna be that 7-figure move. Watch.
From losing from a drawdown of almost $100,000, he has managed his composure and believed what he's doing. He's having a strategy, he's having a structure, he's having a setup. He just believed in it. He was willing to lose whatever amount he wanted to lose, right? And he was having it in his mind that if he reached this amount in drawdown, he's going to close it. But he didn't close and gave it some chance and time. And this is what's actually happening right now. From losing 100,000 to making 500,000 to making 74,000 in profit. Hence, equity of 500,000. Let's go.
Watch. Wait till I start scaling in. I haven't even started doing damage yet.
Broke the 300 mark.
Blues. Change the hat. We want blues. I'm at now 382,931.
Yeah, it made it to 3.6 just a bit ago.
Okay, so like it's almost okay.
Like,
Based on like my negative 27%, like it's almost there. I have negative 27% at 600. actually at more like 630. So it can still
Okay.
push a good amount though, you know?
Yeah, so I
Before
got
some
mine
sort of like
set-
retrace and that kind of thing, like it should still be good for a little while.
Yeah, so I got mine set at 3,624.
3,624. 3,624. Okay, yeah. So a similar area.
Yeah, very
area.
close.
Similar area, close. All right, I'm trying to think. So based on the H4, let's see. All right, so like I have a zone, right? I have a zone. If you look around like 33770 through 33720, I have a zone throughout that entire area because of the consolidation that was once there.
You said 337.
3370, 33770, and then 33720. I have a zone throughout that entire area, so like that's still a good amount of room and everything to actually push. And then go on H4.
On 33720, and then 33770.
Correct.
Oh, I see the little consolidation
Correct.
you're talking about.
Yeah. And on a weekly, look on the fucking weekly.
I know. That's why I think it's gonna keep pushing.
Whoo!
You think it's gonna?
Seven lots
You
deep.
think it's gonna? If it goes bearish engulfing, the thing's going
You
to
mean
the moon.
you mean bullish engulfing?
That's what I mean.
Yeah. First time, huh?
It's my first time trading. It's my first time being this hyped.
No, but everything looks fucking sweet though, honestly. Like, I don't think it's moving right now. Like, it just kind of stopped. Let me press refresh real quick. Oh, I refreshed it and I'm almost at 400,000.
That's what I'm saying. It's slowly just tricking up there.
Yeah, 400,000.
I'm at 26.5.
Hold on, wait, refresh this shit. Hold on. 400, hold on, wait. Run it.
Yeah, not floating right on at 5.
Woo!
596. 598.
Woo! Oh! Where you at now?
Bro, it's literally just
I got 401, bro. People are fucking going crazy. The way how I see now, like there's nothing that says that it's ready to push down yet. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So like it'll continue. All right. So like you're thinking that it's gonna fall at any point based out of fear. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But the same thing goes like if it was going against you. You know what I'm saying? Like it could still keep on falling, but you're hoping that it turns around. So like vice versa shit, like it's always gonna be like a mental battle, but it's nothing like right now that it shows that it's going to retrace like right now.
Nope, and it just pushed up again.
Exactly, like there's indication of bullish, but at the same time, like go on the H4 and go on like the monthly and the weekly also. It's big ass time frames, but I mean, look what's playing out on the bigger picture though, real quick. The H1, M30, and M15, they all have like high momentum candles. Like the candles that's forming like right now, they're big as hell. Like they have no kind of major wicks. That kind of shows exhaustion. Things are powerful in that sense. Like I personally feel like it has the ability to even like go straight to the fucking zone, like the zone that we were talking about. Like it has that kind of ability right now.
I see it in the 1 hour. Like there's no wicks. There's barely any wicks downward.
Yeah, but if you look to the left of where the market currently is, look at what happened last time the market was inside the zone. You had a big ass like red bearish candle straight down. So I think throughout that entire zone, it has the ability to actually shoot up to that top point of that candle also. You know what I'm saying? 400,000, 408,000.
Bruh. I'm up 28.
Yeah, yo, Nick is up right now. Like he's going crazy. He's starting to look at new houses and shit already.
He's gonna look at new houses and shit. God damn, I'm adding stuff to my Amazon cart right now.
Well, the first initial point is gonna be around 33750-ish. That's like my first area of like resistance that I charted up, but projection is like around 35,000, 34,000. Yeah, 35,000.
Damn. Yeah, I just touched 30K. Nick, go fucking be an attorney. I need you to start training. You can't train because then you're gonna quit being an attorney. No, I fucking love this shit. You're gonna quit being an attorney. Bro, I can't believe it's fucking just shooting up like this.
He's gonna say, all right, guys, fuck you and fuck you. Anthony, I never liked you. Q, fuck you. I'm out. I'm gone.
Like, fuck you guys. Y'all make me work too hard. That's it. Hey, the market's making it too easy.
That's funny as hell. All right, so this right here is a little update on my US 30 trade. So currently I have 7 lots in total, as you can see to the left-hand side, right here, 7 lots. Yeah, so this pattern actually played out nice and perfect. We pretty much was on a bullish bias the entire time based on this past area, like right here. From that point, I had highs of like around 330,000. Pretty much brought me back down to like around, let's say 110,000. Then I think almost like 90,000. Yeah, like 90K. I think it was 90K. But then all of a sudden it shot all the way up. It maintained that bullish structure that was currently on. And then now it's at a high of 33672. Like I said, my target is 34,000. And depending on how it looks like around there, I might keep it, I might not. Let's see what happens. I don't know. But total profit like right now is $452,000 based on this one move right here, which means that yeah, it's definitely more than 100% profit, of course. So 200% profit on my account currently. So let's see how this flows. I'm trying to see. This is an inspiration. Still pumping. Yep. Come on, last. I feel like it's the last stride. It's the last stride.
It's literally like, when they're already running with their hands out, fucking leaning their chest forward.
Yeah.
That's where we're at.
Yeah, because it hit 900 earlier, so technically that's already there. Whatever you want, baby girl. $660,000. I got the bottom.
You gotta put that C on, bro. Come on.
Listen, that's all I got. Sand
You
on.
gotta put that C on, bro. Bro, I literally told my girl today. So I got a good feeling today. If I see this trade hit $1 million and I'm at his crib, I'm popping a bottle of champagne in the middle of the office.
Facts.
So guys, so now their psychology is to make $1 million in profit, right? So let's watch what happens.
Pop a hole in the roof, who cares?
Telling you.
What are you floating?
1 second. Say it again.
What are you floating profit-wise?
Like 600.
God damn, bro.
I demo 6.
Yo, a light demo 6.
Yo, listen, the hate comes out. I'm telling you.
That's crazy.
On my comments, I was fucking trying to figure out how to say demo in Spanish because I had people in Spanish like, you can tell that's demo. I'm like, yeah, you don't fucking buy $1 million cars with demo money.
Crazy. You know what it is though, man? You gotta feel bad for. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Hold up.
What the fuck?
I feel bad. You're right, nigga. I feel bad.
564.
Hey, hold on. This is liquidity trying to get a grab.
Liquidity.
No, what happened? What's going on at the 1 p.m.? It's the guy talking, right?
Water.
Yeah, well, hold on. Hold strong. I think he's pushing it down. It's gonna go back up.
Yeah.
Water told his boys, sell right at 1 o'clock. By 1:15, hop in the box. Damn.
Q, what are you at?
550.
That's a 1 minute.
Yeah. That's 1 minute.
That's a crazy 1 minute.
It wasn't that wild, but remember like
That's a 60.
that one push was 50K. And no, I feel like it's gonna maintain where it currently is. It's literally on the support level from what I analyzed. Tons of money lost. Yo, listen, I'm pretty sure all those people that were pretty much trying to even sell on NFP, I'm pretty sure they.
So this is where the problem is, right? Now, realizing almost $900,000 in total profit, heading to 1 million because that's a target, right? And now there has been a drawdown. There has been a drawdown, and currently there was a push right off that drawdown, so they are kind of still up there. But let's see what happens.
They also lost money as well. Even though like NFP was a sell, I'm pretty sure people lost money, guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? So like, I felt like I was in a good position to even like risk that, knowing that I was already in profit on my account. So me losing that profit on my account, I really don't care for it. And the fact that I don't care about losing money, that makes me open to actually just go through certain stuff and everything that people are scared to even go through with, when it's literally a part of the entire process of trading. You know what I'm saying? Every single big trader that I know, they lose money too. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's part of the game, This is where all the orders are currently floating like right now. That's all the orders put together. And as you can see, like, right, swap fees, crazy. 5K, 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 5K. All of the orders placed, created on 10-3, 10-3, 10-3, 10-3, 10-3, 10-3, 10-9. Very, very important. So pinpointing that out, kind of like show you like, yo, listen, like the NFP trade, the way how I ended the video on the NFP video, that should got like 3.5 million views right now, because people thought that I lost money on that trade. I didn't lose money on that trade. That was called drawdown. You lose when you are actually exited out of that entire position. And why didn't I use the stop loss? I didn't use the stop loss for the main fact that I was on the charts the entire time. Whenever I'm actively trading, there's certain times that I don't use it for the main fact that I'm actively trading. I'm on the charts. I'm literally seeing every single thing that goes on. So I'm more aware of like, how to react when it gets to a certain point. And I'm not scared to press the X. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it comes down to it, then I press the X and call it a day. But things looked good enough, and the biggest thing, it didn't actually break a certain point, as to why I held on to that order as much as possible. So 758. And mind you, I don't mind closing out. I will settle with $580,000. I'll definitely settle. You know what I'm saying? Like, by all means, I will definitely settle. CPI sells tomorrow. Listen, I'm getting out before CPI. I want no parts of CPI. So I'm not going to be anywhere close. That's why I'm closing out today. By all means, I'm closing out today. What's going on? How you doing?
Amazing.
Amazing.
You know why?
What's up?
Because I feel like we're all in this with you.
Yeah.
I feel like we're all in this trade.
Yeah.
That's why I was talking to the boys earlier. We were saying how all week we've been in and out of this trade, in and out, slapping, getting clapped, and this nigga's been holding since last week.
So guys, before we continue with the rest of the video, first of all, I just want to share with you that to keep your psychology in check, you first of all need to know what amount you want to lose or how much you want to make on any particular given trade, right? And that is what Q knows. He knows, so he basically explained the reason why he's not putting any stop loss, because he's right on the screen. But I think psychologically, if he lost all the 200K, there wouldn't be any problem with him, because he feels like that amount is just at risk to him. But the point of the matter is, as a trader, to get your psychology in check and get that balance, you need to know how much do you want to make and how much you don't want to lose on any given trade, right? So that you know what you are doing, basically. Let's finish this.
Crazy.
Yeah, man, because all right, so the biggest reason as to why I was open to holding is because, like, yo, if my entries were bad, I didn't want to go through all that ups and downs of being in profit, out of profit, in profit. That's stressful. That's why, like, I made sure that, like, yo, listen, like, I want to get at the most tippiest point of this entire area, which, again, like, I'll go over the entire breakdown real quick so you guys can actually understand, like, my overall concept as to, like, what I was looking for. So, overall, all right, this right here was a weekly move, right? Everybody is pretty much not understanding that this right here was a weekly move that I was aiming for. This candlestick here, that red one, came all the way down to this weekly MA, right? Which act as a level of support, a very, very strong level of support. And I don't mean that it's gonna pretty much just tap it and then spin around. No, but whenever a market comes close to a major level of support in some kind of way, you're gonna have some sort of consolidation or some sort of like transition on a lower time frame to then give you the starting formation of a level of support, right? So that's when I was actually very, very heavy on M5, M1 throughout all these areas right here. Let me try to actually go through it. All these points are all of my entries. Right around here was the first area that I pretty much seen. The market actually made a double bottom pattern. But from that entry, I pretty much went into a little bit of, I think a little bit of drawdown throughout that entire pullback up, because all throughout, like right here, I had one order in the entire time. I didn't actually take all these orders the same exact time because of the main fact I didn't want to have too much pressure on my entire account. So
Sure.
slowly, I pretty much started taking more buy opportunities all along here. Whenever I found a level of support, I took another buy opportunity, knowing that it was still respecting the level of support that it was making on the MA in some kind of way as well. Eventually, it pretty much started to actually break a strong level of resistance, which I could actually draw like right here. Let's say you actually put like a trend line based on that entire area. Eventually, had one more dip. It maintained that level of support based on the higher time frame, and this right here was right before the week ended of last week. So from that point, it actually had a break of this level of the resistance here, and then once it actually broke that level of resistance, I knew that I was in good money for the main fact that I have to have this kind of move to actually then form a level of support to then transition to then build up that candlestick analysis that you're seeing on that weekly time frame. From that point, all throughout that new week and that kind of stuff, you pretty much had this entire transition phase that had to happen, which was a downtrend and a break of that previous lower high point there, to then make this entire area a formation that you're seeing on the higher time frame, which looks kind of like this. It could be on daily, it could be on weekly, but all that was forming all of this right here, that bearish candle and that bullish candle, that was pretty much forming the entire time while you were seeing that transition on that lower time frame. That's all that you were pretty much seeing, just in a more detailed form. Just need a nice push. I'm not asking for too much, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like a nice little, that's it, done. Oh no, yo, so it might be time to close and just say fuck it, go on with my day. $743,000 equity, $543,000 in profit, and call it a fucking day. You know what I'm saying? Oh god. Okay, let's do it. Fuck it. Let's do it. Woo! Hold on, wait. Last couple candles though. Real quick though. Okay, 550. I say 550. Oh, okay. All right. Ready? One. And equity is 725. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Okay. One. Hold on, wait. Turn on one click trading real quick. Confirm. One position close. Doom. Equity, $724,000. Wait, let's check. You gotta check if your broker matches too, you know what I'm saying? Here. Refresh. $724,000. $724,000.62. $724,000.62. So now, let's get a couple withdrawals going on real quick though. All right, so now wait. First internal transfer. Let's trading platform to wallet. 724,000. How much to get back to 150? Okay, let's say I'm gonna withdraw. Let's withdraw 500K flat.
So this is how the whole trade went. A trade that was open, NFP almost ruined it, but Q didn't, you know, misconducted himself. He still kept what his composure. on the trade. He didn't lose it. The composure was just right there. And then, I could say his friends also helped him because they were phoning in. Basically, they were taking similar trades, so if not the same trade. And so they were talking with him and they were like, nah, let's do this, right? So you could have a trading buddy to help you with that, but you should have a trading buddy that is like-minded, not a trading buddy. You see that Q's colleagues were not like, oh, I just prefer a sell on US 30 and you are buying it. No, they weren't interfering with the call. They were all together in one accord, you see. So it should be something like that. He knew the amount he wants to lose and the amount he wants to make in profit. Shy away from a million, and he got that. The initial influence was that, oh, let's hit a million and let's finish it. But I think he knew when he has to close and he closed. And so this is how you manage your psychology. This is how Cubans did it. And I think I should break this down and share it for all my viewers. My name is Trodanison. I'm out.